morning, guys. Today we are going for a trip. It's 8 in the morning and we are going to do rafting. I don't really know what it is. We'll see. Let's go together.
Hello, my baby.
We are having quick coffee stop. Turkish coffee. Okay, it's gonna be us very soon. It's a little bit scary. But look at this, so beautiful here. The nature is incredible in Turkey. We are ready to go. Papa? Papa boss. Very good.
Едем, на лодке поплывем, и снова доплывем, и выйдем отсюда.
Last touch-ups. We are ready for the trip. So, unfortunately, the weather is not on our side. It is raining and it is about to storm. But we're still in a very positive mode. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's our boat. We got our equipment, our boat, and we are on the way to the river.
Гребем вперед. Hayat sende. Лошарик, кто? Они вас не понимают. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Express rafting, quickly. Go. Express.
It's a fight! It's a fight!
Против ветра не мучай себя. Ветер спереди.
Мальчики, бодрее! We are down, happy and safe. Танцуй! Ты выжила!
Music very good.
Ja, aber nicht so laut.